Roger Hayden can't get a start in this back line at the minute.
It's an illustrious club. Can Ben Rutten join it? First kick in league, 40's a goal.
Inside the last minute of the term, Rutten sets it up on the breeze. Has it got the carry? I think it has. They're celebrating in the square. On the freeway. In comes the kick from Rutten, and he sneaks it home. Great start, as the Dockers did in the opening term. Long ball comes inside the forward 50. Well done by Rutten.
Clearance there by Rioli. To Puopolo. Bruce got crunched in a big tackle from Rutten.
Hayes, good smother from Rutten, and should hunt this down and take it to the line.
So Rutten and the All-Australian fullback. It looks as if Neil Craig's decided to let Rutten go with Treadray no matter where he goes on the field. Ben Rutten has not kicked a goal this season.
Yes, I'm reminded of the curious case of Benjamin Rutten. He kicked 3 goals with his first 3 kicks in the AFL and 2 goals with his last 800.
And this bloke just gets more impressive by the minute in football. Ben Rutten kicks a goal.
Well, goals with his first 3 kicks in AFL football. His debut game. So he knows how to kick them, hasn't kicked one this year.